3 appliances in one: food processor, multi-serve blender and personal blender. Durable and powerful, 1200 watts motor drives interchangeable attachments and stainless steel blades. Includes 1.8 liters food processor bowl, 2.1 liters jug, 700 milliliters cup with lid, pro extractor blade, stacked blade, chopping blade, dough tool, slicing/grating disc, recipe guide. Auto IQ technology, one-touch programs do all the hard work for you. Easy to use, simple controls, manual settings and dishwasher-safe parts.